All right, guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Scoots. Today we're going to take care of a few things that have been really agitating me. As you know, we've moved to Pensacola. It's taken us a while to get regrouped, but we're back at it now. So here we go. We're going to pull out the top shelf, ceramic coating, and protect this bike once and for all. And I'll show you what's really been agitating me. Right here, around the gas cap. This bike is 15 years old. It's an 06 Big Dog Pit Bull, and this cap has been twisted off umpteen times and it's scratched up there. So we're going to try to remove these scratches and then ceramic coat this tank. So we're going to work on that, and also we are going to ceramic coat this fender. And the reason we're going to do that is we want to protect it. And one thing that we want to make sure that we protect well is where the seat sets. The setup with that seat, it has suction cups, and it likes to scratch up the fender. We always use brand new microfibers when we do this. We have already clay barred it and sprayed it down with our old 99, but we're going to do it again just for the video. All right, and the reason we do that is to remove every bit of wax and anything that may stop the ceramic coating from adhering. Been raining quite a few days here in Pensacola. We don't care. Gives us a break from riding all the time. Never thought I could ride as much as I could here versus being in Michigan. All right, we're going to pull out the top shelf stuff here. It doesn't get any better than this stuff right here. Take this little sponge and you wrap that around it like that. If you want the best for your bike, and I mean the best, this is the way to go right here. Cleaning it with the old 99. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools can be located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. We take this right here and we put a few drops on it like this. I like to put a line across there, maybe about 20 drops. I like to put it on heavy. And in this weather, it's 85 degrees here. We don't have to let it set very long before we dry it. But you just wipe it on like that. You can see the difference already. And we go back on. Everybody has their own method of doing this. And then we'll let it set until you can touch it with your finger and you start to feel drag on it. Pull to it. You know what I mean? It's like not sticky or anything like that. Just got a little bit of drag on it. Now we're going to go the opposite way because we're putting it on heavy. Nothing will protect your paint better than this stuff right here. Thundering outside again. And my grandkids are here visiting, so I thought I better do some protection to this because they're younger, 6 and 10. And definitely don't want any scratches on it. And this will really protect from that. So we're going to let it set, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what it should look like when you're ready to buff it off with your brand new microfibers. All right, we've waited about 30 minutes in this weather. And when you look at it, you should be able to look across there and see it smudge a little bit. And you're ready to go. So all we're going to do now that it has garnered a adhesion to the clear coat, we're going to just buff over it like this. Rotating your cloth. Now what you're doing is wiping off the excess, and then you'll use your microfiber that you use to wipe it off with as a rag for cleaning wheels or whatever. You don't want to use it on any other paints after this. But the shine on this thing is going to be impeccable, and the protection the same. Now I did the frame rails up under the seat as well, so I'll buff those. And I'll show you what I did for the scratches on the tank around the gas cap. And these microfibers are the best. You're going to love them. Then you can set it out in the sun if you can. Keep it from getting wet for at least a day. No, I'm over polishing it just because that's the way I roll. But we do a lot of customers' bikes like this and they love it. This will last for years. Look at the shine on that thing. All right, and then I did the frame rails here, just to protect them a little bit more from the seat wearing into it. It's funny when you buy a used bike, the little things you find to fix. Like I've got to fix these tabs here and here. They've got the wrong type of bolts in there. But the first thing I did was change all the fluids with the best of the best. And like I said, if you can set it out in the sun after you do this, it will just bake that in there. It's gorgeous, just gorgeous. All right, here's what we did up here. Now you can see right here, this is what it used to look like right here. All scratched up there. You can see here that it's quite a bit less. There's not as much. And here's all we did. We have a secret mixture that we put together that will remove scratches safely. And that mixture will be in the description. 2 different products mixed together, and you can take out all those scratches like that. And I'm going to do some more on there. After you do it with the product that we give you, and we'll actually put a video in there for you to watch from our other channel, Sweet Project Cars. You'll get the mixture there as well. After you do that, you'll have some micro scratches on here. And then all you'll do when you're done with that is you'll use this product right here and go over it, and that will remove every bit of micro scratches on your paint. So I'm going to finish working on that, but this is what I did. I'll show you. One of the ingredients in the mixture is, of course, Mother's. And all you do, and it's blue, it's not white because there's a mixture in there. A little tiny dab on wherever your scratches are. And you will hand buff the scratches out like this. And when you see this again, it will be absolutely gorgeous. And what I'm doing is taking micro layers of the clear coat off to get those scratches out of there. And it will in turn give me some micro scratches, way smaller, fine scratches. And that's where we use that other product I shared with you in the black bottle. But it takes a little bit of elbow grease. You don't want to use any power tools when you're doing this. It's all got to be done by hand. And nice, clean microfibers, brand new, if you can do it. And I'll have all those scratches out of there. You can already see it starting to come out on this side, right there, even more, because those scratches went all the way down through here. So I hope this helps you guys and gals with your bikes to make them look absolutely beautiful with no scratches, no micro scratches, no nothing. Just gorgeous, beautiful paint. GoPro, stop recording.